Baking technician. Overview of the baking process. Baking is the method of cooking food with the help of dry heat, controlled in an oven, hot ashes, or hot stones. A combination of three forms of heat is used for the baking process. These three forms are convection, radiation, conduction. Following are the broad steps giving an overview of the entire process of baking. Pre-mixing. Dough preparation. Dividing. Dough molding. Proofing. Fermentation or non-fermentation. Baking. Cooling. Depanning. Slicing and packing. Let us summarize the process of baking with the help of this process chart.